Hi everyone, my name is Joy and you are watching my YouTube channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I will show you how you can get voice status at your WhatsApps. WhatsApp has just released a new feature which allows its users to update their voice status at WhatsApp. So before starting my video, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. So without wasting further time, let's start our today's topic. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. The tap at status option appears on screen. You can see two options, camera and a pencil sign. Just tap at pencil sign. Appears on screen. You can see a mic option down there. Just simply tap and hold at the mic button and your WhatsApp status will be start recording. You can update your WhatsApp status, voice update. You can update your voice status up to 30 seconds. After recording your voice, just simply tap at the send option and your WhatsApp status will be updated at your device. If this feature is not available at your device, simply go back. If you are an iOS user, go to your App Store, and if you are an Android user, go to your Play Store. Now in the search bar, type here WhatsApp and make sure that your application is fully updated or not. If it is required the update, please update it first. After updating your app, then try this feature again at your devices. If still you are missing this status option at your devices, then wait for the next update. Maybe due to regional restrictions, it is delay in your region, but sooner or later this feature will be available at your devices. I hope that video is helpful for you. If my video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. I hope I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching.